right, hi boys and girls, here's our phonics lesson for today. We're going to go back over our letter drill for our sound drill for NG, and then we're going to start NK this week, okay? So let's start with our letter drill, and we're going to say A-N-G, fang, ang. You do it. I-N-G, ring, ing. O-N-G, song, ong. U-N-G, lung, ung. All right, and now for the new ones. We've done these before, but this is a review. A-N-K, bank, ank. I-N-K, pink, ink. O-N-K, honk, onk. U-N-K, junk, unk. So those are our sounds, our glued sounds. Remember, we box them if we hear it in a word. So let's start spelling some words, and then we're going to go over our trick words that we reviewed the other day. Put my pen down. All right, so the first word I want us to do, kind of a review, and you can refer to the chart, is ring. So let's tap and sound it out. R-ing, ring. I know what I'm hearing. Get ready to write it on your paper or your whiteboards. R-ing. And I am marking my word. All right, you ready? Ring. If you've got it, great, give yourself a thumbs up. If not, fix it. Okay, our next word, pink. Ink, pink. I'm hearing that NK. Which one? Let me think. Ink. Oh, there's a big clue right there. Ink. Pink. All right, ready? There we go. Pink. All right, our next word, thank. Watch my mouth when I do it. Thank. Ank, thank. I'm hearing a blend, not a blend, excuse me, a digraph at the beginning. Ank, thank. Okay, I'm gonna think hard. Oh, two things to mark in this one, that's a good clue. Thank. We have a digraph, TH, and then ank is the glued sound at the end. Thank. Here's our next word, honk, onk, honk. Looking at the chart, yep, I think I know the ending. Onk. Oh, my box is a little funny there. Honk. Give it a try. All right, our next word, this is a review one, chop. Up, chop. Think back. I know our digraphs aren't up there, but think which one says ch. I know how I'm going to mark it. All right, ready? Show your boards. Excellent. Nice. There was a digraph CH, chop. Okay. And our last word before we do rhyme away. Listen carefully. I'm going to do the base word, and then we're going to add the suffix. So the word is wing. W-ing. Wing. And then birds have two wings, so let's make it wings. What's that going to look like? W-ing. Z. I'm hearing z, but I know it's not a z. Let's see how we can mark that. You ready? Wings. Pat yourselves on the back if you got it. If not, give it a try. Give it a try. Fix it on your board. Okay, now let's rhyme away. So, put my marker down. All right, let's see. Let's rhyme away. Erase the word that rhymes with bop. Did you say chop? Yep. All right. Erase away the word that rhymes with bonk. Did you erase honk? Good job. Yeah, some of these are silly words. Erase away the word that rhymes with stink. Stink. Give you a giggle. Is it pink? Yep. All right, let's see. Which one am I gonna do? Erase away the word that rhymes with bank. Bank. Did you say thank? Good job. And the last one, let's see. I think they're kind of similar. Erase away the word that rhymes with flings. I hear the ing in this one, but it's wings. And our last word is ring. Erase that. Okay. Now, the last thing we're going to do is practice our trick words from yesterday. Or, excuse me, last week, I should say. So, we had why, my, and by. So, let's see if we can remember that. Why. W-H-Y-Y. Let's see if you can spell my before I spell it. It sounds like why. Did you get it? Awesome. All right, and the next word, by. Picture it in your mind. All right, now let's do a challenge one. Let's see, we have why, my, by. We've done blends. Let's see if you can figure this one out. And it's a tricky blend. Try. Think that through. Try. That's a tricky one. I know you're gonna want to put CH. Don't do it. What is it supposed to be? Let's see if you get it. Try. Try. Nice. All right. So we have why, my, by, try. Today, in your journals or on a piece of paper, I want you to practice writing and spelling those words. You can put them in sentences. See if you can find them in your reading today. All right? I'll talk to you soon. Bye.